This is Yogi Bear Farms, May the 19th of 2024. This is a litter of puppies from Faith and Dakota. Faith and Dakota, sorry about that. They are 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old today. And they are up a-walking and making noises. Look at them little tails go. There's Mama. Mama's coming. Mama's coming to the rescue. Miss Lick-a-Lot is what we call her. They say it's feeding time.
Please lay down, honey.
We just wanted to give everyone a little update on the puppies.
Lay down, honey.
Let y'all see how they're doing.
Faith,
I think
down.
Mama's going to lay down and let them nurse.
Lay down.
But
Faith,
maybe not.
lay down, honey. Find a place to lay down.
Come here, Faithy. She's wanting out. Alright, just a little short video to give everyone an update on the puppies. Listen to them. They just woke up.
Puppies are hungry, honey.
They're going to get a nail clipping today. Maybe that's why she doesn't want to be in there right now. But she just come out from feeding and she went out for a walkabout to use the restroom. Took a potty break. Look at that one. Oh, sweet little babies. Alright, I'm going to sign off from Yogi Bear Farm. Everyone have a good day. God bless, and God bless America.